The weather.
Hello kids, a very good morning to you all. Kids, look outside and tell me what type of weather it is today. Yes, it is sunny. Kids, you must have noticed that the weather does not remain the same all the time. It keeps changing, right? Sometimes it's sunny, sometimes it's cloudy. Okay, so you know what we are going to learn today? Today we will be learning about different weather conditions. Okay, so let's see what type of weather conditions are there.
Types of weather. Sunny. This is when the sun is out and shining and there are no clouds covering it up. It's usually nice and warm when it's sunny. Partly cloudy. This is when there are some clouds partly covering the sun. When it's partly cloudy, it's usually cool outside. Cloudy. Clouds are made up of water droplets and vapor and hang high in the sky. Clouds can hide the sun's light and even bring rain. Foggy. Fog is like a cloud because both are made up of water droplets, but fog is different from a cloud because instead of being in the sky, it hangs low, close to the ground. Sometimes it's even thick enough that you can feel it when you walk through it. Rainy. When temperature or air pressure changes, it starts to rain. The water droplets fall to the earth, making everything wet. Windy. Warm air weighs less than cool air, so warm air rises and cool air comes underneath to replace it. This creates wind. Lightning. Energy created by clouds can cause lightning. A bright flash of electricity, lightning, can be beautiful but also very dangerous. So, if you hear thunder or see lightning, be sure to get inside and stay there until the storm passes. Tornado. Tornadoes can sometimes happen during bad storms when a column of air comes spiraling towards the ground. Tornadoes are very violent and dangerous and can tear apart houses, pick up and move cars, and even uproot trees. Hail. Hail is when chunks of ice are formed by rising winds in a thunderstorm. Once the ice gets heavy enough, it falls right to the ground. Snow. Snow is formed when water vapor in clouds turns to ice without first turning into water. Snow can be soft and beautiful or fall fast like a rainstorm. Rainbow. Rainbows are one of the most beautiful weather formations that occur when light from the sun passes through raindrops. Even though sunlight looks white, it's actually made up of lots of colors. And the rain reflects all those colors to make a beautiful rainbow.
Kids, now I just hope that you have understood today's topic. Now let's do an activity. Okay, I'll be showing you some pictures of some weather conditions. Okay, and you have to observe the picture and then you have to tell me what type of weather condition is it. Okay, so let's start.
What's the weather like? It's rainy. What's the weather like? It's windy. What's the weather like? It's foggy. What's the weather like? It's stormy. What's the weather like? It's sunny.
So kids, that's it for today. I'll see you all in the next learning video. Till then, bye bye and take care.